press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, so today we are dealing with the new chapter, that is chapter 2. Chapter 2 is matter around us pure. ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತಲು ಏನು ಕಾಣುತ್ತಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್. ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ, ಟೇಬಲ್ಲು, ಚೇರು, ನೀರು, ಮಣ್ಣು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಯೂರಾ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ. ಸೊ ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ 1, ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. It's more or like an introduction class about this chapter. Let me take some substances, for example milk, ghee, butter, juice, mineral water, salt, spices, right? If you want these things, you need to go to a shop, you need to ask the grocery man to give these things. If you look at the pockets or the packages of these substances, so packet of milk, packet of ghee, butter packet, curd packet, juice bottle, mineral water bottle, packet of salt, and the packet of spices. You must have observed there may be like this pure milk, pure ghee, G or B ತುಪ್ಪ, ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಘೀ ಅಂತ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಘೀ, ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಬಟರ್, ರೈಟ್? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್, ಟಾಟಾ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ ವಾಟರ್, ಬಿಸ್ಲರಿ, ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ವಾಟರ್, ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಿನರಲ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So what does that word pure in all these labels indicate? ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಪದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ? So in our daily life situations we see this word pure written on the materials, on the substances. So this word just refers in a way that those substances are free from adulteration. ಕಲಬೆರಕೆ, ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕಲ್ಲು ಮತ್ತೊಂದೇನೋ ಕಸ ಗಿಡಿಸ ಅಂತ ಬಂದರೆ, ಕಸ ಕಡ್ಡಿ ಬಂದರೆ, ಕಲ್ಲು ಬಂದರೆ ಅದು ಕಲಬೆರಕೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ತೂಕ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಲಬೆರಕೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಹಾರದ ಕಲಬೆರಕೆ, ಫುಡ್ ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್. ಈಗ ಸ್ಪೈಸಸ್, ಮಸಾಲ ಪದಾರ್ಥಗಳು, ಸೊ ಚಕ್ಕಿ, ಲವಂಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೇನಾದರೂ ಬಂದು ವಿತ್ ದೋಸ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ದೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅದರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿ ಸಾಡಸ್ಟ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪೀಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರೀ ಬಾರ್ಕ್, ತೊಗಟೆ, ಮರದ ತೊಗಟೆ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ವ, ಸೊ ಅದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪೀಸನ್ನು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ತೂಕ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು ಫುಡ್ ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಘೀ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಘೀ, ನೋ ಎನಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದರ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಪೈಸಸ್, ನೋ ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಆದರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಬೇರೆ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ ವಸ್ತು ಯಾವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಪೈಸಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ it should be pure. Suppose it is a lemon juice, it should be lemon. Orange, it should be orange. No other things. Athava mineral water, it should be mineral water, that should be pure only. It should not mix it with any other thing. So here pure refers to free from adulteration anta, ಕಲಬೆರಕೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Free from adulteration, free from adulteration, adulteration ಅಥವಾ no adulteration, no adulterants present in these substances. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದು ವಸ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲ. ತುಪ್ಪನೇ, ಬಟರ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ಮಿಲ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಅದು ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಏನು ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಲ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ, ಕಲಬೆರಕೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ವ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ದೇ ಟಾಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ about the word pure in a whole different sense. Actually for them all these substances are not pure. In fact they are all mixtures. They are not pure substances, they are mixtures, ಮಿಶ್ರಣಗಳು ಅಂತ. They are not pure, they are made up of one or two different substances. How? For example, in milk, say you got a packet of milk where there is a word pure milk. So even though the word pure indicates that is free from adulteration, but if you look at the milk in detail, that is with reference to the ingredients present in that milk. So in that milk we will have water content, fat, ಕೊಬ್ಬಿನಾಂಶ, ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. So that milk is made up of these three main substances: water, fat, proteins. Now tell me, is this pure substance? Is this pure? Is this matter pure? No. It is made up of one or more than one type of material, more than one type of substance. It is not pure. It has H2O, it has fat content, it has proteins content. It is not a pure, it is mixture. Mineral water, so in that mineral water, there are many dissolved salts or minerals, naturally occurable minerals. For example, there may be chlorine or there may be some magnesium that is dissolved in that water, or whatever the essential minerals that we need, so they are all dissolved in that water. It's not only H2O, this mineral water is not exactly H2O. Along with H2O there are other things with that, chlorine, magnesium, other salts, mineral salts. So this is not pure substance, it contains other substances as well. That's why even though they seem to be pure, but in true sense, in chemistry wise, so they are not pure, they are mixtures. What are they? They are mixtures. ಮಿಶ್ರಣಗಳು, ಮಿಶ್ರಣ. Then what is this mixture? What is that mixture? Mixture ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ? It's a matter. Mixture is a matter, of course, no doubt, which is made up of more than one type of, which is made up of more than one type of a pure form of substances. Suppose salt solution ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪ್ಪು ಕರಗಿಸಿರೋದು. ಶುಗರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಇರೋದು. ಈ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಉಪ್ಪನ್ನು ಕರಗಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಶುಗರ್ ಕಲಸಿದ್ರೆ ಶುಗರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆರ್ ದೋಸ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ pure? No, they are not pure, because in the solution you have H2O substance, the pure H2O substance, as well as NaCl, that is salt, common salt. You have two pure form of substances. H2O is the pure water substance. NaCl is the crystals of NaCl. It is pure NaCl only. But here, as I wrote here, the packet of salts, it doesn't mean that it exactly contains salt. There may be some dust particles, there may be other particles which are not NaCl, which are not chemically NaCl. ಕೆಮಿಕಲಿ NaCl ಆಗದೇ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಇನ್ ಅ ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಸೆಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ H2O substance as well as the pure NaCl substance, but they are mixed there. It's a mixture of two pure substances, two pure form of substances. Therefore, mixture is a matter or a substance. Mixture is a matter. It is a matter which contains two or more than two, at least ಎರಡು ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಮಿಶ್ರಣ ಅನ್ನೋದು, ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಒಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That will become pure, not mixture. Two or more than two pure substances are pure form of substances. ಸೊ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎರಡು ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಅದು ನಾವು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಶುಗರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ರೈಟ್? See, for example, salt solution. If you take salt solution, can you separate salt from that solution? Salt solution alli salt ide, neer ide. Can we separate that? So this is salt solution which has water as well as salt in it, NaCl and as well as H2O mixed with each other, making it as salt water or say salt solution. Can we separate the salt from that? Yes, you can separate by heating it or by evaporation. How? By taking all the water particles out of that solution. How can you take out all the water particles? By heating that. By heating, you can evaporate the water out of that solution. You can evaporate water out of that solution. Right? Once every part of the water goes, you will remain with the mixed NaCl in the bottom. You will be remained with NaCl at the bottom, where every water went out of that solution. Now, can you do the same thing to this by heating? No. You cannot separate this NaCl. Of course, NaCl is a pure substance. It is a pure substance because it is just one substance. You may ask me a question, sir, what is this? What's about Na and Cl? They are different, right? They are different elements. So, can we say that it's a mixture of two elements? Yes, it is a mixture of two elements. But this mixture is by the means of chemical. It's the chemical mixture, not the physical mixture. See here, what we have done to produce salt solution or to create salt solution? Here we have physically mixed. We have physically mixed salt and water. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ನೀರು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ, ಉಪ್ಪು ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ. This is called as physical mixing, not the chemical mixing. There should not be a chemical way. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಹಾಕೂಡದು, ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕೂಡದು. So that process should be physical process. So physical mixing of two or more substances give you mixture, not the chemical way. Chemical change should not take place. Here in case of NaCl, it's totally about chemical or chemical way or chemical process where it involves bonding. So Na loses an electron becomes Na plus, Cl gains an electron becomes Cl minus, and there lies a chemical bonding, ionic bond, and we get NaCl, the new product, the compound, ionic compound. So apparently it may be seemed as the mixture of Na and Cl, but this is the chemical way, the chemical process, the chemical change occurs. So electron goes, electron gains, electron loss, electron gains. So there lies some attraction. This is all chemical way. But here the mixing of salt and water is the physical process where there is no chemical change occur. No chemical changes occur there. It's just a mixing. Kalisodu, mix madodu. No chemical changes. So once you evaporate every water, you will remain with NaCl. But you cannot separate the NaCl just by the physical process such as heating. Heating is a physical process, heat madodu. Filtration madodu, filter madodu is a physical process. Gravitational separation is a physical process. So from any physical process you cannot separate this NaCl into its constituent particles. Constituent particles andreno, the making particles of that substance. What are the making particles of the system of the substance? Na and Cl, sodium and chlorine. You cannot separate them just by heating, right? So this we can take it as a pure substance, as a pure, but the salt solution is not pure because it has two things, NaCl as well as water. NaCl as well as water. It's the mixture of NaCl and water. It's the physical mixture of NaCl and water. Therefore, mixture is a matter or a substance which contains two or more than two. Minimum eradirbeko ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬಹುದು. It's a substance or it's a matter. Mixture is a matter or a substance which contains two or more than two pure form of substances. So NaCl was a pure substance, water was a pure. So two pure things got mixed to give a mixture. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎರಡು ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾವೆ. They got mixed up and they give you a mixture. ಒಂದು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರನ್ನು, ಒಂದು ಮಿಶ್ರಣವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So you came to know about what is mixture. So it is the physical combination of two pure forms. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? It is a physical combination or it's a matter which contains more than one type of pure substances. More than one type of pure substances or two or more than two ಅನ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು, or more than two ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬೋದು. It's a matter, mixture is a matter or a substance. It's a matter or a substance which, don't use term substance, is a matter which contains more than one type of pure substance. ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದು ನಾವು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಒನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್. What is mixture? Or mixture is a matter which contains two or more than two pure form of substances or pure substances. Pure form of substance ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ, pure substances ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ. It contains two or more than two pure forms of substances. So that is mixture. It can be separated, the components, the components, the word component we use here. Components means in this mixture what are all the components are there, or what are all the substances are there, what are all the different substances are there in that mixture. In this case it is water and salt. There are two components, water and salt were there in this salt solution. Here these components can be separated from the physical processes. such as filtration, heating, gravitational separation, like that. Right. So this is compound. Compound is different from mixture. Compound is the chemical mixture which was done by the chemical way or the chemical process, nothing but what? Involvement of chemical bonds, the formation of chemical bonds, as you observed here, the ionic bonds. But here no such chemical changes occur, only it is the physical combination or the physical mixing process. Right? I think you got this. Next. So this NaCl can be obtained from the sea. ಸಮುದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು, ಉಪ್ಪನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ರೇಟರಿಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬೊರೇಟರಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ದ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ದು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಐರನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್. You may produce iron from the industries or in the industries. You can get that from industry, or you can just obtain as a natural thing. So if it is iron, if it is a pure iron, irrespective of its source, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಉಂಟಾಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. It will have the same properties. The properties of iron irrespective of their sources. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಐರನ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐರನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಐರನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಸೇಮ್. ಡಸಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್.